NTPC Bongaigaon has continued to deliver a very strong operational performance, reinforcing its position as a key power generator in the entire Northeast region. With an installed capacity of 750 megawatts, we have three 250 megawatt units. The station plays a critical role in ensuring grid stability and meeting the energy requirements of multiple beneficiary states of the Northeast, including Assam. During the financial year 25-26, the station has achieved a generation of 4,110 million units, reflecting its consistent contribution to reliable power supply. This performance is supported by high operational efficiency and improved plant reliability. The key indicator of operational excellence is the DC, or declared capacity, which is 93.72%, which shows a notable improvement over the previous year. This reflects enhanced plant availability, efficient maintenance practices, and effective outage management. The station has recorded a PLF of 65.43%, aligned with the grid demand and dispatch schedules while maintaining operational flexibility. One of the major milestones this year has been the continuous operation of our units, which proves that the units are maintained well and we have demonstrated exceptional equipment reliability. Our Unit 1 is running continuously for 433 days, which is the best ever for NTPC Bongaigaon till date. And we have improved upon our Unit 2 performance of 319 running days, which was done in the same year. In the area of sustainability, NTPC Bongaigaon has achieved its best specific water consumption of 2.5 liters per kilowatt hour, which means that we use minimum amount of natural water for running this plant. And this indicates optimized resource utilization and sustainable development of the region. The station has also achieved over 172% of ash utilization, which is the highest since inception. Highest single day ash utilization of 14,737.83 metric ton and highest monthly utilization of 3.35 lakh metric ton in the month of February is a big achievement. These efforts contribute significant to environmental sustainability and infrastructure development of the area. In the front of CSR and community engagement, our main focus area as a business entity, as a corporate entity, NTPC Bongaigaon remains deeply committed to community development and inclusive growth across the region. CSR activities have expanded significantly, covering key success areas such as education, healthcare, skill development, infrastructure, sports and culture. Overall, NTPC CSR department has directly impacted more than 3 lakh beneficiaries directly and more than 2 lakh beneficiaries indirectly. Our key initiatives include in the area of healthcare is we have donated ALS ambulance to the Kokrajhar district administration, 2 ALS ambulances. The burn HDU and IoT has been set up at Kokrajhar Medical College. Nutritional support to TB patients have been given under Arnab Maitra. Now, our mobile medical unit and cancer screening programs are going on in the entire BTR region and the adjoining villages. Now, burn ICU and nutritional rehabilitation center at KMCH is also being taken up. In the area of education and innovation, we have established education space labs in the BTR region. Digital literacy centers have been set up across 5 districts of BTR. The libraries and smart classrooms in schools have been set up. We have also constructed a girls' hostel in Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya in BTR. In skill development and livelihood, we have been promoting the Lakpati Baidu initiative for women entrepreneurs. The Edi Silk and Handloom Village promotion has been going on. The training programs for sustainable livelihoods are being conducted by us in our township and in the adjoining villages. In the field of sports and youth engagement, we are happy to share that we are sponsoring one football club, namely the NTPC FC, which has now been named as Power Warriors Football Club. We are also promoting rural sports and football infrastructure in the adjoining areas. Support to regional tournaments and youth platforms is also being done, and we are also happy to share that we are one of the co-sponsors of the Kokrajhar Marathon and the Durand Cup, which was recently held at Kokrajhar. Our flagship initiative of Girl Empowerment Mission, as you are all aware, our little girls from class 5 and 6 are taken in our township during the summer or year monsoon break, and till date we have trained and guided 160 girls, and every year we are taking some of the girls who have done well in their academics in our own school in the township, and we are providing free of cost education to them. NTPC Bongaigaon has also received multiple recognitions and appreciation from district administration and other agencies for its impactful CSR interventions. On the environment front, NTPC has planted more than 13 lakh trees till inception and more than 50,000 trees this year till date, contributing to a greener Kokrajhar besides our efforts at the Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary, which we will show in our presentation shortly. Overall, NTPC Bongaigaon continues to operate with a balanced focus on operational excellence, sustainability, and majorly thrust on community development. We remain committed to powering progress while contributing meaningfully to the socio-economic development of BTR region, Assam, and the Northeast region as a whole. Once again, I thank all of you for your continued support and look forward to your valuable engagement. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Will highlight presentation by TS department. I request Manager to take over the presentation. He also it will followed by a presentation. मैं चाहूँगा कि क्योंकि